all that recent rain, the river stage that Dan mentioned can be an important piece of data, especially for those living near the Mississippi.
In the latest edition of WeatherWise, Dan dives in to explain more about what it means.
Hello, today your WeatherWise question comes from Steve in Winona. What does the measurement of the river stage at La Crosse really represent? The La Crosse River stage that we use in our weathercast comes from measuring equipment located on the shore of the Mississippi River at Riverside Park. It's located near the waterfront restaurant and tavern. You've probably seen the gauge structure and didn't realize what it was. But there are a couple of big clues right on the small building that hints at its purpose. The first is a big stick with markings on it that represent distance in feet and tenths of feet, not unlike a much longer version of a yardstick. It's attached to the building and set into the ground. And there's an informational plaque too that gives some of the history of the site. The location has been the site of observations for a very long time. In fact, the very first river stage was taken in October of 1872. The structure you see was finished in 1936 and upgraded every so often as technology has advanced. The system is automated and the information is automatically fed to the National Weather Service and the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers and of course the general public. Our river stage is about 6 feet today and the river is considered to be in flood at La Crosse at 12 feet. Now the 0 point or gauge datum level is just below the lowest point of the river bottom and that level is set at 626.32 feet above mean sea level. So the answer is the river stage is the level of the water surface above the accepted gauge 0 or slightly deeper than the maximum depth of water. And that is your Weather Why.
All right, thanks, Dan. And if you have a weather question, make sure you send that to our team at weather@wxow.com or head over to our website and submit a question at wxow.com/weatherwise.